Just like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. Shout out to si Jojo Colleen Moko from Korea. Shout out.
Ay, pabati po kay Jaja Colleen. Pistingyawan mo. Nananahi.
Basta ko ang panang. Nay. Ang pasayan ang kwan.
Pinoy and Pampanga. Shout out po si
Kantusan ka. You're from Korea. Ako dikhead.
Guys, I cannot read that. What time is it for? It's 12:04.
Shout out po si Jenna Colco Radbano.
Si mama, nasa Malabo po si mama ngayon. Shoutout po si Gina Colco, Ratbungo from...
Ano po yun? Ibig sabihin nun, Ma'am Shai.
Shoutout for my sister's birthday, Tara Moko from Japan. Thanks for the greeting.
Shout out my sister's birthday, Tara Yokmoko from Japan.
Nagpuyat ako kagabi at para edit no sa client ko.
Shout out to my sister's birthday, Tara Yudmoko from Japan.
In the Singapore, please greet my mom. Please
Sinira. Masabi nga nasa road mo isa-isa.
kaya mo siya. Uy, at mo lang.
Shout out to my...
Shout out po si Piling Gercho. Piling Gercho.
Hello, shout out to my sister Tara Yumotko from Japan. Hello, Konyet. Hi.
Shout out this one. Shout out to my brother Lucky Titi